This is where I grew up, in the Porcupine Hills in southern Alberta. I thought, I'm going to carry out my dream of becoming an architect. But I was inspired by the work of Frank Lloyd Wright. And I said, one day I'm going to go to Arizona and I'm going to meet that master. You have to understand that the knowledge of the universe is limitless compared to the limited knowledge of mankind. In this vast space of the unknown, there are unlimited possibilities for you to create. So this is my first major building, which was a Catholic church. I went for a walk in the woods and I saw the spider build a web. And I thought, now that's a very creative solution. I'm going to have to build a web out of steel. And then it's not only important to create a building that works for the people and works for the environment.
So what advice would you offer to young architects?
Well, we have this marvelous gift of creativity, and we're constructed quite amazing to be able to have this imagination and this creative force that we have within us. And I believe that we have the power to do really amazing things, so let's do them. And everybody should speak from their hearts. And when you talk to somebody, talk heart to heart.
I'd like to say just a few parting words as we close out tonight. This school has been around, as you know, for 92 years. 92 continuous years. Never stopped running. I think what makes us so unique, what separates us, is while the rest of the world seeks comfort, they seek normalcy, they seek routine, this school seeks to break all of that. That we support people's individualism, but also understand the power of the network and the community. And we celebrate that community as well as the individual. I just want to thank you for being here tonight, for sharing in one another's companies,